How to fix a GCash failed cash out. If you want to fix a failed cash out on GCash, you can first of all troubleshoot the app by restarting it. So close the app from the recents menu and just restart it. So just try to turn on airplane mode on your phone as well and try to turn it off and turn on your Wi-Fi back again. If you're using on iPhone, open up settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage over here and just search for GCash and select it and offload the app and reinstall it. If you're using Android, just try to clear the cache files. You must also verify if your internet connection is working just fine. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular or vice versa. Make sure that you have got enough funds within GCash and check that your linked bank or card isn't restricted. Confirm your account's verification status and be aware of transaction limits. If the issue still continues, then as a last resort, you must try to contact the GCash customer service. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.